Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the game and enabling the developer interface. First, make sure the game is fully closed and you have a save backup. You don't want accidental loss. Next, add the console launch option in Steam or flip the developer toggle in Game Options if present. This step tells the engine to expose the console. Once done, relaunch Hello Neighbor and be ready to use the keybind that opens the console. This is the hinge for all following steps. You now open and exercise the console. Press the tilde key or your configured console key. If nothing appears, try F1 or check your key bindings. Once visible, type a simple command such as show FPS to confirm it responds and displays values on screen. Make sure to test a harmless command first before making game changes. If the console accepts input, bind a convenient key in controls so you can open it quickly in future sessions. This saves time. You finish by committing changes and handling issues. After testing commands in the live console, write permanent tweaks into the game's config file or use console save commands so settings persist. Then restart Hello Neighbor to confirm everything behaves as expected. This validates that your edits took hold. If the console won't open or commands fail, make sure you run the game as administrator. Disable overlays and mods that block dev tools. And if needed, restore your backup and try the enable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.